that way.
How many do you think you have?
Hey, let's go 2 or 3. Hey, just move up there.
Let's go.
Alright, you guys. Gotta run, gotta run! Keep taking the high ground, you guys. Keep taking the high ground.
Yeah.
Road. Set up right here, you guys. Yep. You guys, get inside the tree. Get inside the tree, guys. Line right here. I'm Doug. Not so far, buddy. Stand by.
Give me this other one. What's going on?
I'm coming.
No, don't come. Don't come.
I think I believe there, like this. Up. Yeah, go up. Abel. Up. Don't go too far.
Richard, up.
Stay right here.
Right here.
We need to be able to see before we can attack.
I need you guys to regroup on me. Come on, guys.
We need to strike that engagement quick because we'll start growing fast. Over.
That's what we're doing. M-Dog, where's your position?
Send up the sky. First.
Epsilon, give me a sit rep.
Guys, hustle up. There's already down over there. Hustle up.
Right now.
There's action over there. They need to give him support fire.
We're back in our starting position.
Yep. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, guys. Hustle it up.
Be advised that troops moving to engage. Over.
Rush it up, buddy. Move to engage. I'm at your 6. Going back to the rock. I'm going to be at your left-hand side.
Be advised, yellow is moving to engage.
M-Dog.
Gibby, this is Brian. Over.
M-Dog. Take 8-bit. 8-bit. Listen up. 8-bit. Cross this street. Take that green side. M-Dog, you're with them.
Ready? Let's go.
Yeah. They're going that way. They're going that way already. Go, guys. Hustle it up.
Hey, stay spread. Stay spread.
I will be in between you guys. That's the one. I'll leave you. Pretty casualty. Come on, boys. Lift up those feet. Let's take that center. Let's take that center right there.
Flank far left. Over.
We've got yellow held down in the center. They've got no cover whatsoever. Keep moving to the center, guys. Keep moving to the left.
Over. Need a medic.
I'm on my way. Brian, regroup with Epsilon. We're going to be pushing to far left. We're going to be flanking far left. Brian, lead. Epsilon, cover Brian. Come easy.
Hit.
I got you, buddy. I got you, buddy. I got you, buddy.
Gibby, where's Brian? Over.
Straight ahead. Looks like they're dead. We need to get a minion up
Brian's
there.
over there. Don't leave him behind. Cover him. Cover him. Cover him. Brian! Are you hit? Okay.
Hey, we need to get our minion down there.
We need a minion. They're dead.
Sam!
Sam,
Look straight ahead. Look straight ahead.
Hold on, Sam.
Hold on,
Sam,
cover my minion! Cover my minion, guys! Brian! I need some cover!
Hold on, Sam! Hold on, Sam! Sam, stay.
Got him.
That's one! Keep suppressing fire on the left-hand side, guys. Set up in front of the minion. Shoot over this berm. Hold on, stand up.
Where's our minion?
Ryan!
Hey, they're moving.
Anyone seen the minion?
Death rank right there. Go get him.
No, not yet. Hold on, guys, they're falling back. There we go. All right, we're gonna hit these dudes on the right. Guys!
Give me this, Brian.
Guys!
Found your minion.
My children! Isolate your fire on the people at the center! There you go, buddy. You got it. Hold on, bro. Hold on, Sam.
Fuck, I'm jammed. Push up. Do we have a jamming rod?
Guys! I don't think so. Guys, move up. I need a fire team right here.
Gibby,
Yeah.
you got Tango to the side.
All right, guys. We're going to be switching back into the center. Sam, let's go. Get behind us. Go.
What do we got?
Roger. Swing, come in.
Left hand side? Yeah.
Hey, yellow guy, stay here.
Spread out, you guys. Spread out. Spread out, you guys. Move that fire.
I swear I could tag her.
No, she's got cover.
Friendly.
Oh shit, you're facing the wrong way.
Shit. Hold on, buddy. Can you cover me? I'm gonna get him.
Way.
Guys, can you guys cover me? Sam, stay
right
here.
up here.
Stay here, Sam.
Right there. Come. I'm out. Reload.
Fuck this, Cape. What's up?
We got wounded on the right. I'll go with
Where?
you. Right here. This way.
Tell me where.
This way. I heard him.
Is it your buddy?
I don't know.
I heard someone yell for Dracula.
Hey, don't go alone. Hey, who's got that jamming rod?
Careful, you see him to the right to your left. To your left.
Get to him. Sam, stick with me.
Left side.
A little busy right now.
I got one guy. Unless it was the minion. Guys, we need to regroup. Left side.
I got another guy.
Fuck. Hey, has he been taken? Has he been taken already?
He's moving on the other side of this tree.
Hey,
I'm reloading.
has he been taken? Fuck, he's been taken. Guys, get down! Incoming fire! Sam, get to me!
Reloading.
Fuck. Push back. Come on. Ryan! Go.
I'll cover you firm. Push up. They're going to flank us from behind. Let's get the top side.
Brian, you guys move to the left.
Josh, there's a contingent of 10 guys to your immediate right.
Hey, Kyle, right here.
Hi.
Kyle's captured. He's walking this way. Come on.
Wait until they get very close and then light them up.